Hey, my name is Johnny, this is my wife Maria, and together we are your real estate duo. In this video, we're answering the question, has the real estate market reached its peak?
Right around January of this year, we all experienced a huge bump in the market where prices started going up, and they kept going up all the way through June. Then, as you can see, in June through August, there's been a leveling off. It's kind of like the median sale prices plateaued. So what can we expect for the next few months?
So while the statistics for September aren't out just yet, all signs point towards a continued plateau or a leveling off of the market until spring of next year. And that's because historically speaking, that's usually what happens. Fall comes, the market levels off or goes down a little bit. Then spring of next year, it'll start going up in through the summer, and then again in fall, it'll go down. And so that's pretty normal. And that isn't only the entire United States because of the winter months. That also applies to our South Florida market. So 2020 was a special year because in spring, when we usually have the hottest real estate activity, COVID hit us. And that meant that all of that demand got pushed back to the third quarter of 2020. That's why since then, we've seen a red hot bull market up until June of this year, where finally prices plateaued and really the real estate market hit its peak, at least for now, until spring of next year.
So our buyers out there, what does this mean for you? Well, it is still not the time to put lowball offers in. Unfortunately, this is not that market for that. The stats are showing that properties are still selling at 100 to 102% of the list price. However, if you were getting outbid before, if you couldn't even make it to see the property in time by the time it was under contract, you might actually have a chance now. You might actually get your foot in the door because of this slight slowdown. So take advantage of it if this is something that you've been wanting to do for a really long time. Our sellers, what does this mean for you? Well, it does not mean that your opportunity to sell is coming to a close. As you saw in those figures, your home is worth a lot of money right now. However, as we mentioned in the last video, look at the numbers, obey the figures, list your property at what the market is showing it's actually worth. We guarantee you it'll sell if you list at what the comps are showing.